So in the previous lecture we had solved our cone and pyramid. Then I told you guys that I'll show you how to create a rectangular I'll just place it here somewhere. Okay, done. Now I'll just zoom it, not here but here. I just want some random place. Now we'll start. First, what I have to do, we have to draw a base. Any size is fine. Okay, so hit escape. I have to change the length of this. I'll give it 0.05. Okay, if I tap line, I have to change here also, and I'll keep it as 0.05. Done. Now I'll go to line. First, what I have to do? So first we have to know. So let us see. I'll keep the length of the, let it be 20, right? 20, rectangle length is 20, and this shall we keep as 50? Yeah, this will keep as 50. Enter 30. So we will keep the angle as 30. So what should be the height according to you guys? Shall we keep 20? Yeah, 20 is more than enough, I feel. Or we can also keep 15, but 15 will be too short. So we'll keep as 20. 20 and 50. Enter. Okay. Then again I'll type 50, enter, minus 150, enter. Then I'll simply join it like this. Fine. Now I have to find the center, right? What's the height of this? Now let us decide a height. Uh, we'll take 60 or 50 is enough. 50 is enough, right? Or shall we go 60? No, 60 is more. We'll take 50. Done. Now what I have to do? Zoom in, join this here, join this over here, join this here, and join this over here. Now what I have to do? Hit escape, select the visible lines. This is visible, this is visible, this is visible. This corner is visible. Change the style. What you have to keep? 0.4. Hit enter. Now this line, this line, this line are the edges of the pyramid, right? What I have to do? 0.35 and they are hidden. Enter. Now give the dimensions. See, override height 50. I don't have to give to the side. This I have to give. This side is also 50 and this is 20. Let me give the angular dimensions. In the previous lecture, I forgot to give the angular dimensions for the spheres, right? Let me just show. See, it's done, right? I'll hit escape over. So this is the perfect example. Now I think that's more than enough. We'll see in the next video how to solve the pyramid on, I mean slab. On a slab we'll place all these three things and we'll see. Okay, thank you, bye bye, good night.